In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively utilize Google's suite of tools by guiding you through the process of installing Gmail as a standalone app and pinning it to your taskbar for easy access. Let's get started without further ado. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Gmail on your preferred web browser. Simply open your browser and type in gmail.com in the address bar. Once you've hit enter, wait for the Gmail login page to load. If you aren't already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password to access your account. Logging in here ensures you are ready to proceed and have full access to Gmail right from the standalone app once it's installed. Moving on, you'll find yourself on your main Gmail inbox page. From here, look to the upper right-hand corner of your browser window. You'll see a set of 3 vertical dots. This is your menu icon. Clicking on it will open up a drop-down list. It's like having the keys to the settings kingdom right at your fingertips, allowing you to customize and execute various browser functions. Next, you'll need to scroll down in the menu that appears and search for an option that reads Cast, Save, and Share. Once you've found it, click on it. This option is part of the newer features within your browser, and it helps streamline several tasks, one of which will assist us in our mission to create an independent Gmail app. Once you've triggered the Cast, Save, and Share option, an array of features will present itself. Here, you'll want to tap on the feature labeled Install Page as App. This is the magical step where your Gmail page begins to transform from a mere tab in your browser to a dedicated app living on your computer. The aim here is to make Gmail more convenient to access, almost like having it at your fingertips whenever you need to send a quick email. Finally, after opting to install the page as an app, you'll be prompted with a few more instructions. Simply tap Install to secure everything in place. Just before you wrap up, make sure to click on Pin to Taskbar. By doing this, you're placing Gmail right there in your computer's taskbar. This makes it extremely handy, allowing you to open it straight away without fumbling through browser tabs. And there you have it. Once completed, Gmail will appear as a standalone app on your taskbar, ready for immediate use whenever you need it. This process not only saves time, but also adds an element of efficiency to managing your emails. Thanks for joining me on this tech journey, and I hope you find this feature as useful as I do.